Going on a high altitude trek, friends, what will you take in your medical kit? So here is what I have prepared for my medical kit, starting with the first aid stuff. So we have bandages which are in different shape to begin with. Then I have taken soframycin. Then I have Volini. I have not taken the fish spray. I've taken the tube malam types. Then I have for my tooth pain I have taken Dolo gel, which is very helpful for me. Then I have taken Comiflan painkiller. Cotton is there, and then there's grape bandage. Of course, antiseptic cream, which is Dettol I have taken. These are my basic first aid stuff. For my medicines, the most critical for me is Dolo, which I take for fever as well as for pain, high fever and high pain. For low fever, low pain, I have Calpol. Antibiotics, Amoxicillin 650 I have taken. Then I have for cold, I have taken Vicodin. I have taken for Avomine for motion sickness, Hygiene for digestion. This is optional. I have taken, all of you know this is Diamox, but I am going to go without Diamox. Then this is the lip balm, Vaseline jelly I have taken, and one of them Borolene also. This is for body and this is for lips. Inhaler. Then I have ORS, Electrol. This is what I've taken. I've taken multiple packets. Then there is moisturizer, body lotion, and hand sanitizers. So for poop, I have taken toilet rolls. I have taken soap, hand wash soaps, wet wipes, and this is one thing which is recommended by my Bollywood friends. And my Bollywood friends said that I asked them, how do these heroines wear sari and dance in that snow? So he suggested apply this moisturizing cream, and I have taken it. So let me use it and see. Thermometer is there, oximeter is there. Oximeter I have not yet packed, so that will be added. Wet wipes, large bundles. Then this is recommended by my chemist for instant energy. I don't know how it works. I'll use it and I'll check. Apart from this whole kit which is there, I have taken a additional backup kit as well. So all of this will be packed for my 20 days high altitude trek. And yes, you can recommend to me what additional things I should take. And yeah, last but not least, above 5,000 meters, 4,500 meters, you have to use polaroid. So I have taken a detachable polaroid glass which is attached as a magnet over my specs. So this is one thing which is very useful, which I have taken. So yeah, you can ask me any questions. You can suggest any additional stuff which I need to take. Thank you. See you. Bye.